Thursday morning sometime in the late July 2020. We're sailing from Ikea in the lower Lao groups of Fiji, going over to the Agasa cluster of islands. Maybe you can see them in the distance there. We set out about 6:20 this morning, and we're doing good. The winds are from the east at 15, and I've got the main and the head sail all out, doing about 7.2 knots. She's on the beam, so we're doing well. In the distance there, you can see Rick and Sana, Dutch couple on incentive, and wonderful couple. Way in the distance is Rob on Ventana, the Angasa group. Anyway, it's a wonderful day, good sail, ideal. Come around here, we'll see a little bit here. Over there in the distance is Faluga. We were there for about 5 days. Wonderful anchorage, good snorkeling, some diving. Give you a little bit of enjoyment for the moment.